Hello everyone, welcome back to Lemon Solution. In this video, we are going to see how you can change font style in WhatsApp. So without wasting any minute, let's get started. In this video, we'll be talking of two different methods through which you can change font style. The first method will be talking about how you can change font style without the help of third-party app. On the other hand, the second method will include a third-party app. For the first method, you have to open WhatsApp. If you want to italicize your text, then you must put one underscore to each side of the text. Let's say I am writing good morning, then you have to put one underscore to each side, then the text will get italicized. To bolden your text, you have to put one asterisk to each side of the text like this. And this way your text will get bold. If you want to give another look to your text, like if you want to strike out your text, then you must put a tilde to each side of the text. Like this. And apart from this, the last thing that you can do is introduce a monospace to your text. For that, you have to put 3 backsticks to each side of the text, like this. This was the short trick, but if you don't want to remember this short trick, then the simple method is select your text and here you will get all the options. Like if you want to bolden your text, then click on bold. If you want to go italic, then click on italic. And if you want to go strike through, then click on strike through. Here you can see all the bold text and bold, italic and strike through all are getting applied to this text because I am applying everything to one text only. So let's just say I want to monospace this article, then it will go like this. So this was the method through which you can change WhatsApp font style without downloading or installing any third-party app in your phone. But if you want to do more apart from this, then you have to download an app which is AA Font Keyword. Here, AA Font Keyboard. I have already installed this app in my phone, so I'll go back. You should install this. Click on the app. Click on switch to font. Okay. So here, now you must go back to WhatsApp. And here, this app will allow you to change your font style like it is normal. If you want to go with another font like typewriter, outline, serif, italic, small caps like this. If I want to write good morning, then look at this. The font has been changed. You can go with another. All these are available in this app. But remember, this font not only change the WhatsApp font style, but everywhere you want to write something like on Facebook or Instagram, you'll get this keyboard only. If you want to switch back to your normal keyboard, then go back and long press on this app and click on force stop. Switch back to your normal keyboard. So these were the methods with the help of which you can change your font style in WhatsApp. Thank you very much.